Hey, this is Vijay and welcome back to Tech with Vijay. Day 6 of 30 Python tricks in 30 days. Today's trick is about enumerated is one of the most understand functions in Python. Usually when looping you need both the index and value. Let's take an example. We can give fruits is called apple, comma banana and can give cherry. Then we can cover using a loop function for I in range len of fruits. Print I comma fruits. Here you can get the output here like apple comma banana comma cherry here like index in 0 1 comma 2, but enumerate make this way very cleaner. Here we can give some example like for index comma fruit in enumerated fruits give print comma index comma fruit. You get the output like this here apple banana cherry. Use less code here. Enumerate means fruits comma start is equal to 1. It's a teeny change with a huge impact on code clarity. If you like the video, please don't forget to like and subscribe from my daily Python tricks. Bye guys, thank you.